coolest toy we have right here. This is a 2-pack of tanks that are remote control that you can use to play with and drive around and fight each other. So my son is extremely excited to open these up and play with them and see what they're like. So let's do it. These are 1/28 models scale, and they can rotate 180 degrees, no, 360. They can rotate 360 degrees. They have lights, they have sounds. They can go up a 45-degree incline. So we are going to check these out.